Doing a walkthrough of the horse case. I'll just scroll down to level 1, leave it up to you to read the instructions. But again, this is the horse case. And we'll look at level 1 here. Again, it says very easy. All right, so just think about what's going on here. We have players 1 and 2. They're all going to alternate shots. So player 1 shoots on the first try, the third try, the fifth, etc. Player 2 on the second, the fourth, the sixth, so the even tries. So I'll build a formula over here so it's a little more legible. You can see it. So equals, we'll do an if, and there is an is odd as well as an is even function. I'll use the is odd. All right. So we're going to ask, is this value odd? If it is, that's player 1. If not, it's player 2. All right. Okay. And so I can I'll just copy this. Okay, Control C, escape, put it over here, and I'll build it over to the side so you can see it a little easier to start with. And then we can just copy it down, just double click there. All right, all those are correct. Now do keep in mind, in competition, we don't actually see whether these are correct or not. We do have a value here that we can work first, but again, in the competitions, does not show if our answers are correct or not. So again, that's level 1, level 1.